Yeah. Ah, the abundant and elusive frog. Disproportionately proportionate beings who, for the lack of a better term, are the definition of moist. Our world, riddled with frogs of different families, does not and will not ever tolerate what we shall gently refer to as fake frogs. This being said, we are fortunate to have been blessed by a society of frogs that we can trust with secure internet searches. Yes, of course I refer to the family of true frogs. Family Ranidae, Order Anura, Suborder Neobacteriaceae. Is this English anymore? Our dear true frogs have an abundance of sizes from as small as the insufferable wood frog to as large as the unnecessary Goliath frog. Now you might be asking, how did we get so many frogs in this world? What? You're not? Too bad. When a mommy frog and a daddy frog love each other very much, daddy frog latches onto the back of mommy frog, like froggy style. But this raises a gargantuan complex question. How is it even possible for daddy frog to stay latched when both mommy and daddy are so slippery, wet, heated, and... Most true frogs are known to have smooth, mucousy skin, which proves to be effective at providing them with oxygen by trapping moisture and ripping away oxygen from its beloved hydrogen parents. Remember, kids, you have no rights as a mere molecule. Now that I have dipped your brainstems into a vast swamp of frog knowledge, it's time to excite your neurons into hyperdrive. Hard frog fact. People who study frogs and toads are called herpetologists. Don't ask any more questions beyond that. I don't know why they're called herpetologists. Honestly, I just found the word online and I'm as shocked as you are. Hard frog fact. Frog bones form a new ring every year when the frog is hibernating, just like trees do. Okay. Alright, frogs are trees. You hear that? Frogs are trees! Frogs are trees! Hard frog fact. Another frog fact that we often don't think about is the fact that they drink by absorbing water through their skin. Remember when I told you about the hydrogen parents? Well, this is the cruel world of oxygen trafficking, and it must be stopped. Hard frog fact. All frogs fertilize the eggs outside of the female body. It forms a foaming pit of despair in which, oh god, look at, that's pretty gross. Yeah, I kind of regret showing you that. That's awful. Hard frog fact. Some frogs can jump over 20 times their own body length. So if they're a lengthy being, you can bet that they're going to lengthily jump. I have nothing for this one. Please continue. Hard frog fact. Frogs can lay as many as 4,000 eggs in frog spawn. Remember that foamy pit I showed you earlier? Yes, this one, the disgusting one, the stuff that you pick off of the beer top when you pour a beer and all it foams over. Yes, there are 4,000 eggs in that. Hard frog fact. Another frog fact is that frogs are they're green. They're very green. We love green frogs. And if frogs aren't green, then you probably shouldn't be touching them or if you what, though, how, where, why, should be eating them. Hard frog fact. Last frog fact you should know about is that frogs are easy, breezy, beautiful, and don't wear Maybelline. But you should know that sometimes frogs will eat other frogs to inherit the beauty through the stomach acids in which the mucus will erupt and create the paragens of Is paragens a word? A paragens of beauty that will emit through the mucousy skin that will ultimately call to the mates of beautiful frogs and princesses from across the world that will... You know what? How about we get onto a montage about how beautiful this frog is?